In this video, I will show you how you can fix a Facebook account restriction. Now, this works 100% of the time. If you've watched any other videos on YouTube, they are all wrong. This one is how you are going to fix your account, so make sure you watch it until the end so you don't miss out on any important steps, and I can assure you your account will be fixed after this video. So step number one, we need to head over to Facebook. And then from Facebook, you now need to head over to your settings and then go down to the help and support option. And then if we then scroll down again and click on report a problem, select this right here, and then you can go to the bottom and click on continue to report. Now from this page, what we simply need to do now is go to the top search bar here and search for profile, select this, and then what you want to do is enter something simple into this box like this. Now just something really simple like this, and then you can add any screenshots, screen recordings, or you can also upload a photo from your device here. Once you send this over, you will then be able to click on send in the top right hand corner. Facebook will then investigate the problem that you are having, and if they deem that you have been banned unfairly, they will then reinstate your account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.